Good afternoon mga idol. We're back. Um, magre-respond lang tayo sa question ni Black9. Sabi niya, Boss, anong magandang ability pang AFK grind sa crossbow? Tapos, anong weapon trait yung ginagamit mo? Baka ang ibig mo sabihin, boss, is class. Okay? Class na merong abilities, di ba? Ito yung class, and then yung class ko ay hunter. Tapos, ito yung abilities na ginagamit ko. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita mo nag-AFK grind ako ngayon. Yung kagandahan talaga ng hunter na class, number one, meron siyang sustain. Ito yung leech. And then, meron siyang accuracy. Kasi, sa later part ng game, kung mapapansin mo, minimum of 10 or 7 yung level gap ng monster na titirahin mo para mas mabilis ka pang mag-progress. Otherwise, mababa lang yung experience na makukuha mo. So, and then, ito, yung sa defense penetration, this has a compounding effect, okay? So, for example, dito sa akin, kunwari, gamitin ko yung humon ko na merong defense penetration na 40, ganun. Kung ginamit ko siya, yung defense penetration ko, all in all, is 463 na. That's still low. Anyway, nakasikreta ako. Sikreta is fairly cheap. Okay? Last time I checked, sikreta, ano lang siya? 200 plus. O yun, 109 diamonds lang pala yung sikreta. So, I don't think na di mo siya mabibili kasi marami na naman tayong binibenta na item and then nakaka-earn. Okay, allow me to show you my sale ba or trade history yun. No? Mga nabenta ko na tig 13, 18, ganon. Kahit mga pulot-pulot lang na items, no? We're able to earn 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 62, 43, 84, gano'n. Yung 84 na yan, ano yan, plus, I think, plus 10 yan, or plus 9. Anyway, so, in terms of abilities, sikreta, kasi dex tayo eh. So, masakit talaga yan pag tumama yung sikreta. Kasi dex type tayo, crossbow. Ito yung, parang machine gun to, nagrarat-rat to for 9 seconds. Combination of physical and magical damage. And ito yung accuracy mo. And leech for your sustain. And then, ito, this part right here, naka-greater recovery potion ka kung kalaban mo monster. Kasi yung hunter, although we have increased damage output, we also receive increased damage from monsters as a penalty. Now, to offset that, we will use greater recovery potion. Kasi, damage received from monsters, I think this is phrased wrongly. Kasi dapat, magdi-decrease dapat yung, ayun na nga, the damage received from monster will decrease by 4%. Ang gulo. But, kung nagbo-boss hunt ka or let's say ratan, ito ngayon yung gagamitin mo, si Quick Heal. Kasi si Quick Heal naman ay magbibigay ng damage to boss monster ng 8%. Okay? So, yun lang yun. Okay ba? So, I hope nasagot ko yung question mo. Second part ng question mo is yung weapon traits. Now, magkaiba siguro tayo kasi depende sa level mo. I am currently level 85 and I have quite a lot of weapon trait points. Kaya marami-rami akong nailalagay. And that's the essence of leveling. So, yung mga weapon traits ko ay covering fire mainly because maglalagay siya ng rivalry. Ano yung rivalry? Magdi-decrease ng ang movement speed ng kalaban by 10% and ma-increase yung damage na marireceive niya by 5%. For the explosive blast, kinuha ko lang yung defense penetration. For the prey spotted, kinuha ko lang yung ito, mainly because of the rivalry, and then the attack speed of the monster will also be decreased. So, nakakailang tira ako bago siya lumapit sa akin. For altered crossbow, again, for the defense penetration, yun, kapag naka-buff siya, mag-a-add siya ng defense penetration. So, like I said, there's a compounding effect sa mga skills, sa humun, at saka sa weapon traits natin, and also the abilities na ginagamit. For load special arrow, although maganda yung critical rate na arm, I chose this one kasi meron siyang mana recovery para hindi tayo naubusan ng mana. And lastly, Annihilation Blow. Talagang ginagamit ko siya for kasi masakit lalo na sa monster. Almost 2 hits na lang yung monster after ng skill. Tignan natin. In 8 seconds, meron tayong sige, wait. Huwag natin dito. Wait. Yan. Tignan nyo to. Titirahin natin ang Annihilation Blow. You know? Diba? Almost 2 hits or 3 hits na lang yung monster after ng Annihilation Blow. So, napaka-effective talaga kasi kapag faster mo siyang napatay, automatic skill, experience acquired na agad yun. Alright? So, to have a short recap, the best class for me for AFK grinding is Hunter, and then the abilities are the following: Secreta, Honed Weaponry. Ito yung active ito yung passive. Secreta for active, passive Honed Weaponry for active, Weapon of Darkness, and then Deliberate Attack for passive, Leech sa active for your sustain, and then Greater Recovery Potion sa passive if you're doing monsters. If you're doing boss, pick Quick Heal. Shoutout nga pala sa kaklan ko si Boss Griever. Siya nagturo sa akin ito. Alright, I hope nakatulong ako sa question mo. And for mount, always ko naman ginagamit si Flamingo talaga. Si Flamingo. Ngayon, pag nakita mo na medyo hirap ka sa monster, babaan mo lang yung gap. For example, ako, I'm currently level 85. Yung monsters dito ay level 94. If nahihirapan ako dyan, baba lang ako ng konti. Like, dito ako sa 91. And then, pag kaya ko na, lilipat na ako sa 92 and onwards. Now, you may ask me, why am I here? Nandito ako sa labas kasi sa dungeon, although mataas yung experience, walang yung sa humun, walang humun culture cell na drop inside the dungeon. Tignan nyo sa for example, yung Dead Man's Land. Pansinin nyo yung mga monsters dyan. Walang humun. Diba? Although they do have advanced upgrade scroll, but they don't have the humun culture cell. Anong tawag dun? Humun culture cell number 11, 12, 13 and onwards. Yun. So, yun yung reason kung bakit nandito ako. Kasi nagfa-farm ako ng humun, and yeah, it's very fortunate na nakakuha ako ng ganito, but it's still unfortunate kasi hindi naman ako nagpi-PvP. So, I'm still using my trusty Loneliness grade 4 na meron siyang attack all damage plus 3%, at ito yung pinakamaganda, damage received decreased ng 4%. Yan, kasi mas makunat yung monster, yung character ko. Alright, medyo napahaba yung explanation ko. Good afternoon sa'yo, keep grinding.